Haters will see you walk on water and say it's because you can't swim. They will see you become successful and say it is because you got lucky. They will see you make progress and say it is because you had more opportunity. But then they see you fail and they will say it is because you were never good enough. They will say you couldn't handle the pressure because you lacked character. I guess they didn't know what I knew, that I would make it. Maybe not immediately, but absolutely and definitely. I said, I guess they didn't know what I knew, that I would make it. Maybe not immediately, but absolutely and definitely. I guess the haters didn't know I was only getting started. I guess they were not to know that my failures were the fuel to my fire, that my character thrived under pressure, that being like everyone else was the only way I could really fail. You see, first they mock you, then they laugh at you, then they belittle you, and then they beg for your help. If you were not by my side during my struggle through my valleys, don't expect to be by there at the top of the mountain when I declare success. You had your opportunity when I was down and out. I guess they didn't know that I knew that no matter how steep the mountain, I would reach the peak. My vision does not see the pain at the bottom of the mountain or the struggle in the valleys. It sees only the glory standing at the top of the mountain. My will sees not the pain and sacrifice. It sees the pride and the character. It sees me arriving at my destination. Now haters, what have you got to say? What excuse can you come up with now? What is the reason I made it and you didn't? What is the reason I continue to outperform you? That's right, because you made excuses and I didn't allow it. While you were busy making excuses, I was busy making the things happen. While you were pointing the finger, I was raising the bar when you didn't believe in me. I believed in me. While you focused on tearing down my dreams, I focused on making sure they came to life. You thought your nonsense was affecting me. It was only pushing more fuel into my fire. Defeat, failure, setbacks. Come what may. Make no mistake, I will find a way. The difference between winning or losing, the difference between those who do and those who don't make it in life is not talent. It is not about any type of magical formula. The difference is character, it's human spirit. And if you are going to make it in this world, living out your dreams or living out your nightmares, it is completely up to what you do. It all comes down to you. Thank you very much.